Hi, welcome to another vlog from Penang in Malaysia. Today I am at this neighborhood that looks like a rich neighborhood. There are beautiful luxury condos around here, high-rise buildings, very nice residences. On the way here, I saw Marriott residences and some other beautiful condos. And this way, it really does look like a nice place to live. And what brought me here today is this mall. I have something I want to buy at the mall. And so I checked Google Maps and it led me here. But this area looks so cool. It is so different from every other place I have been since I came to Penang. This is the Gurney Paragon Mall. It looks so beautiful. There are so many apartments in this area. I guess if I were to live in Penang, this is the area I would live. But let's go into the mall. If we have time, it's getting dark. I don't know. We'll see if we can explore this area. If not, we're going to do it next time. But let's get into the mall because I have something I really need to buy. This is the biggest mall here in Penang. And it is really luxurious as well. From what we see out here, the greenery, the design, this is a beautiful architecture. And there's a tower there. I like this area. This looks like it's newly developed. I don't know much about the area, I'm just saying, because every other place I have been to in Penang, the architecture or the buildings looked a bit dated. But over here, everything looks new. Beautiful watches here. This is the lower ground. I just want to start from the last level and make my way up. I love exploring malls just to see the shops that are here, the way it is designed. I just love all of that. Okay, this is the supermarket. Jaya Grocer. These are the brands on this level. All right, let's go up. So beautiful. British India, what's that? beautiful. This restaurant is so busy. So many people waiting. They'll have to call you in by number. Okay, let's see if I can find what I want here. Good evening. Please, I want to buy a hard drive, an external hard drive. External hard drive.
Yeah.
So the storage I brought with me here is full. All my SD cards are full. I've gotten so much videos and pictures in Malaysia, so I need to get another storage device. Okay.
Yeah. 1 tera, 2 tera,
Two.
4 tera, 5
Oh.
tera.
Is it heavy? It's four heavy. Well, let me just buy one. Where's one? Two. How much is this? 402.
1 tera.
1 tera, 300. 4 tera, how much? 672. Wow. It's way cheaper to buy the bigger ones. But what can I do?
1 tera is 268.
268. Okay, you're having a sale.
Yeah.
Okay. So 1 tera, 268. Which one is this?
This is 2 tera.
2.
357.
Okay. And then?
This is 4 tera. 5 tera.
Wow. Okay, so what do I buy? So I need more storage because I still have so many more days to be here in Malaysia, and I still need to be saving all my videos. I don't want to lose anything, so I just need to buy it. Yes. Okay.
Here, name and contact.
Okay. All right, we got it. So now I can get as many videos I want because I have storage for it. So I've been told that there is a Gurney Plaza. So apart from the mall, there is a plaza, same name. So we're going to check that out. So there are 2 more floors up there, or 3 more levels. Oh, it started raining while I was inside. And we need to go to the plaza. How are we gonna do it? Ooh, the smell of rain is so nice. It hasn't rained in ages. Since I came here, it doesn't rain. And before I left home, it hadn't rained in so long. Oh, So just smelling the rain, smelling the rain, it smells so good, so refreshing. My bag is holding my hair down. Oh my goodness, you guys. I like I like some crazy things, right? Oh, the smell of the rain is so refreshing, believe me. Woo. So there's a path to walk. How far does it go? Let's see. It looks like it ends right there. It ends right there. Oh my goodness. No, I can't go in the rain. So the plaza is, man, that guy is running so fast. He's almost at the plaza. I think I'm gonna wait for the rain to go down before I go to the plaza. I'll probably have a meal while I wait, so I'll just have dinner so that when I go to the plaza, I'm gonna end my day there. Mr. Shawarma. Oh yeah. Is this Chinese? Noodles, noodles, noodles. Okay, let's see what they have in other places first before we decide. Western Mama. Nah. Chicken rice. Nope. Clay pots and sizzling. Tom Yum Maggi. What is that? Sizzling noodles, sizzling yini. This one looks so good. Should we have that? We're gonna have the Tom Yum Maggi. It's a Thai food. So let's see how that turns out. It's hot and sour. I hope I'll like it. That is it being prepared. Let's go see it. That's it. So let's get drinks here. There's an outdoor sitting area. I think I like that, and it's covered, so I can have the view while I eat. I think I love that. Let me get a drink.
Sizzling.
Ooh.
Rock Mountain.
Oh, sizzling.
Habis apa? Ada
Nice. This looks so yummy. The drink I got is apple and lime. It's still raining, so we're just gonna sit here until it stops so we can go check out the plaza. Yeah? Ooh. So much lime. The lime is more than the apple. Ooh. A very strong kick. Ooh. So good. Do I taste banana? It's so good. I made a very good choice. I love, love, love this food. All right, let me eat it. Let me enjoy it. It's still raining. We're just gonna have to go. We're gonna check the plaza next time.